According to Drive Tesla, South Carolina lawmakers are considering a major change that could finally allow direct electric vehicle sales in the state. The push comes as Scout Motors, a Volkswagen subsidiary, is investing $2 billion in a new manufacturing plant, creating 4,000 jobs. However, current laws prevent Scout from selling vehicles directly to South Carolina residents, forcing potential buyers to go out of state. The proposed South Carolina Consumer Freedom Act aims to change that, allowing electric vehicle makers without existing franchise agreements to sell directly. Governor Henry McMaster has voiced his support, saying he would sign the bill if it reaches his desk. Opposing the measure are the state's dealership associations, representing over 280 franchise dealers. They argue direct sales could hurt competition and undermine businesses that have invested millions into traditional dealerships. For now, the bill is under debate in the House Labor, Commerce, and Industry Committee. If lawmakers don't act, South Carolina could find itself in the awkward position of attracting major electric vehicle investment while restricting consumer access to those vehicles. You are listening to UON News.